Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement AC heater blower motor with fan. This AC heater blower motor with fan works specifically on Jeep vehicles from 1997 to 2001, including both the Cherokee and Wrangler, when equipped with either the 2.5 or 4.0 liter engine. Your AC heater blower motor with fan is responsible for producing air that blows through your AC and heating system. Over time, this motor has been known to go bad, and the fan itself can get physically damaged. If you're not producing or circulating any air when your system is turned on, this may be the issue. While this replacement AC blower motor with fan is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the factory mounting locations and the OEM plug. However, this unit does have a redesigned motor for enhanced durability. Installation of this AC heater blower motor with fan is something you could do yourself, should you have the right tools to do that. Simply go under the passenger side dash, remove any panels, locate the fan, unplug it, and then unbolt. Reinstall in the reverse order. If you have any questions about this replacement AC heater blower motor with fan, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.